On September 23, 2023, officers with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office in Key West, Florida, responded to reports of a recklessly driven red Range Rover SUV. Bodycam footage shows a deputy contacting the driver, later identified as 60-year-old Deborah Bennet Odom. The female appears to be under the influence of some type of substance, but this is nothing compared to the drama she has in store.
Hello.
Sorry.
For what? Are you okay?
Huh?
All right, we got a call about your driving, that you were having problems staying in the lane. So, and I thought it was weird that you kind of like put your turn signal on and you took a while to figure out where you're going, and then when you made the left, you made this really wide turn. You okay? You sure? Okay. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
While the good officer is questioning her, Odom does something stupid.
Why are you pulling me over?
Well, I didn't really. I was following you because we got a call about your driving, and people were saying, I mean, from the 100-mile marker, they were calling about a red.
Really?
Yes. And so when you pulled in here, you made
No,
a very.
I'm not going to do that.
You're not going to do what?
I'm not gonna do
Put
that.
your car in park. Put your car in park.
No.
Car in park now.
Why?
Ma'am, put your car in park.
Why?
Step out all the way in park. Step out of the car for me. Because you were about to take off on me, and you are now lawfully detained. So please step out of the vehicle.
What's that?
Ma'am, please step out.
No.
No?
No.
So
Okay.
either, listen, step out of the
No.
car. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Then I want to record everything.
We're recording too.
Then I will record.
We're recording.
Then I
We
will
need-
record everything.
Okay.
That's fine, but you need to step out of the car.
Step
Then
out,
you
please.
just let me record everything.
No, first you step out of the
No,
car, then
I
you
will
record anything.
Ma'am, here.
No.
Well, you're
Really?
either...
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So we've given you several lawful orders for you to step out of the car.
Prompting the officer to escalate the situation accordingly. So far, Odom has ignored lawful orders to get out of the car and opted to record the officers, perhaps trying to bully them from doing their job. Yet, she's only getting started.
So here we are. I have breast cancer. I just had my third treatment of breast cancer. And these people have stopped me.
Okay, so,
You think that's cool?
well, based on the fact that several people called in that they were concerned about your driving and how you almost hit them.
I understand.
Okay, so my next question to you is, based on the fact that, given that I could smell alcohol in your breath, okay, you're swaying while you stand, I'm going to ask if you want to consent to some field sobriety exercises.
Of course I would.
Okay.
But
In typical Karen fashion, Odom suggests that instead of taking field sobriety tests, the officers should call a certain senior person whom she's known for years.
why don't we just call Rick and let's just talk to him and let's just please.
Well, I don't understand how the sheriff is going to help you out of this situation.
Because I've known him for 10 years and he knows I'm not a retard.
Well, nobody has called you that. Nor do we think that. No. Let's go over here.
I can't sit down.
Let's go over here. Let's go over here and let's just get this done.
Oh, she's going to take off. Do me a favor, turn
Well, I want to just record I just want to record.
Okay, well, we're getting to
turn
the
your
point.
car off. And listen, we're going to have to
No.
take this away from you. So, are we refusing to do the rest of these exercises?
No, of course
Then let's
not.
finish
Of
them.
course not.
Then let's
I
finish
love
them.
you guys. Like, I don't want anything.
I don't want to be in this position either, okay?
I don't. I also
And I
want
know,
to, like,
please put the phone down.
I want to record all you guys.
We're recording
And
too.
she acts like she don't want to be. Like, she come back.
I know you did not, ma'am.
Listen, all right, we're done.
You got
here.
my license?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
Odom has just attempted to grab her license from an officer's hand, and that's the last of her antics that these officers are taking. But as you've seen so far, Odom always has something coming.
Nope, do not mess up, because this is not going to end well for you.
Are you kidding me?
No, we are not kidding you.
Give me my phone.
Can you let him know what?
Give me my phone.
6101 work code 5. We'll have one in custody.
Give me my phone.
Your phone's going with us.
No, give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone.
Your phone will go with you.
Do you want to take this?
I'll take it.
Okay.
No.
Are
give
you
me my
PTO
phone.
certified?
She chose that. Like she has got some kind of going on with him. So we'll just really,
Yes.
really, like you threatening me?
No,
I'm
walking.
Please stop.
Are you going to walk with me, or are we going to have
Can
to
I
carry
just
you to
stop
my?
my God damn it, can I not turn it off?
We're going to take care of all that. Is there anything other than your phone that you want
You're
to go
hurting
with
me!
you?
You're hurting me! You're hurting me!
Tell him-
You're hurting me! 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 Stop! Stop!
61. Additional unit.
If you think you've seen it all, it's a good time to remind you that those piercing screams have nothing on the drama that's coming next.
Under statute 1314, I'm allowed 14 minutes that I'm allowed to be picked up. Where am I?
You're in the parking lot of Ocean Gardens.
Yeah, 14 minutes. Where the f are you?
I'm standing right here next to you.
Yeah, oh, aren't you so proud? Jesus Christ. Hey, this is your life. I'm your son's teacher. I'm your son's teacher. This is what they're doing to me. Get this off of me. Get this off of me.
No.
No, you're hurting. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I cannot breathe.
Do you need an ambulance?
I need an ambulance. She's hurt me. She's hurt me. She's hurt me.
6211. Can you roll rescue
dear
20
God,
our
please,
way?
she's hurt
Reference.
me.
Our arrestee is unable to breathe.
God, you're so sick. You're so sick. You're sick.
All of a sudden, Odom channels her inner worm.
Can you please just, so I can breathe?
So what we're going to do is we're going to turn you on your side. Was there another unit coming?
Oh God, please help me!
From where?
Oh God, please help me!
You sure about that?
Please help me! Please help me!
Here, I will help you up.
Roll on your side.
Roll on your side, Deb.
More officers and medical staff have arrived at the scene. Apparently, their presence causes Odom's breathing to normalize. Shortly after, the officers check her car and discover something that pretty much explains Odom's behavior today.
But she's not.
You're hurting me! You're hurting me!
Hey, Deb.
Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
We had her. Well, she now needs to be checked, but we had her see. She didn't want that.
No,
So then we put her.
she hurt me. She hit me. She hit me in the face.
Okay, so no injuries. You're just a little embarrassed.
Sorry.
Okay.
She was claiming she couldn't breathe earlier.
Okay.
Liar.
Okay, listen, talk to me.
No, she's a liar.
Okay, talk to me.
You f***ing liar.
Okay, talk to me. What's
Now,
your
why
first
don't you
name?
go home?
Deb.
Deb. Okay. I'm here. Let's talk, okay?
No.
Can I stand you up?
Of course you can.
Okay. I'm gonna stand you up. All right?
Do this.
Ready? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No top in the back.
Hey, we got more wine here, but it's not open.
As another officer transports Odom to the station, she doesn't pass up the opportunity to put on another show for the remaining officers.
Choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me!
Hey, ma'am.
She's choking me!
Ma'am. Ma'am. She kicked me.
Alright, you know what? Always things going on. Take her out. Leave her right there. Just call paramedic again. Because if you report him, she acting like that there's something bad happen. You know what you mean?
Rescue outfit.
She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me!
Deb, there's a camera back there recording you right now. And they see I am nowhere near you.
You're choking me! You act like I'm some kind of crazy person. Just stop! Stop! Let go of me! Let go of me!
Please, we're not
Let
gonna
go of me!
do this again. We are not gonna do this again.
Oh, that's what you're doing? That's what you're doing?
Yeah.
That's what you're doing?
No, we good.
No, we're good.
No, we're good.
The chaos continues at the station, with Odom channeling her inner vampire at some point.
No!
Stop it. If you bite me,
Did
you're
you
gonna get
just
another charge, okay? So stop. Relax.
Off of me!
Deb?
Get off of me!
Relax, Deb.
Get off of me!
Relax.
Get off of me!
Relax.
You're choking!
Nobody's choking
You're
you.
choking me!
No one's choking you, Deb. Relax.
Stop.
You're choking me.
Relax.
Oh, God damn it. You're choking me.
You guys have her ID? Yeah.
Yeah, I have it in the car.
Damn you. You stupid
I'll
ass.
just talk to you.
You'd think that is enough, but Odom is a gift that keeps giving.
Can you please open your mouth for me so I can make sure you
Can
don't
you
have
please
anything?
open your mouth and shut the f up?
I gotta check.
But can he check? Can he just look?
No,
real quick?
check her mouth.
Okay.
Ooh, she got in it. She got in it. Stop! Stop! Quit hurting me! Stop!
Arrest time!
On top of being a Karen, Odom is racist. She also has occasional moments when she forgets English.
You're united. Wow. A black person and a white person united. But you don't give a f about her. You stupid. You hate her. You hate her because she's black. You can't stand it. Because she gets everything that you think that you
Oh, wait,
should
hold on.
get.
I got one more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Deborah.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Deborah.
Yeah.
Deborah.
You think, oh, she gets everything. Oh, she shouldn't get everything. She shouldn't. But she...
If you refuse to take the test, I have sit down.
You didn't tell me to sit down. I don't know it. How do I know English? I don't speak English. I request a interpreter right now. And if I am denied an interpreter, I will be
On what? Uncross your noodle.
Odom just gave officers a much-needed laugh after giving them enough hell for a day. But that was the last thing she planned to do. She quickly reverts to character.
You both know what you did. I had to stop. I'm having breast cancer. God. I'm under. Stop it. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't speak. Don't. Okay.
The standard procedure requires that Odom be searched before being taken to jail. With what you've seen so far, you know that's never going to happen.
We have to take the jewelry off.
It's not gonna happen. Lisa, we don't want to use force. We need to put it in the chair and take everything.
Right there.
Stop!
Relax.
Stop hurting me!
Oh, here we go.
Miss Debbie, we talked about this, right?
Stop it! Let go! You're hurting me! You're hurting me, you mother! You're breaking my arm! You mother!
Finally, the officers' patience wears thin, and they opt for drastic measures.
And this is where we ended up.
Okay. I'm trying to work with you. I'm not doing anything to you. All right? You gotta calm down. You have to, okay? Okay.
Oh, I'm Hannibal Lecter. Oh, God. Luckily, it's cool.
Deborah Bennet Odom was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and driving under the influence.